Welcome back to working on your CO2 dragster here. What we're doing now is actually creating the animation that we're going to be creating for our final video. So we want to start out here understanding what an animation is. What's actually happening is we are not moving the car, we're just changing our view in what we're looking at. So and how animations work is up across the top. These are called scenes or keyframes or scenes. So what we can do is make the car animate between these different scenes. Now that we're done with our steps, we can get rid of those. And the only two that we want to keep are ortho printing and ISO with wheels. So to get rid of a scene, I'm going to right click on it and hit delete. And I want to get rid of everything except for ISO with wheels, and I can delete this one and ortho printing. I'm also going to move ortho printing to being my first scene, so I'm going to move, right click on it, go move left. Okay, now first thing we want to do is get rid of this axis here. So the red, green, and blue axis. So we're going to go View, Axes. So it gets rid of it. Right click and hit Update. Now ortho printing has the axes. ISO with wheels. Sorry. Uncheck the axes and go to Window Styles, and we're going to be working a lot with this, so that's Window Styles again, and we're going to hit the Update the Style. Ortho printing's got the axes, ISO doesn't. Okay, now we have to start building scenes. So I want to make this car look like it's going to drive across the screen here. So I'm going to use the pan, put the car out of sight, right click, add scene. So now if I look at, start out at ISO with wheels, go to scene 3, it looks like the car is driving across the screen. I'm going to turn it around with the orbit tool. Pan it so it goes off the screen over here. Right click, add scene. So now if I go to screen 3, scene 4, and now I'm going to start bringing it in. Right click, add, bring it a little bit closer, right click, add, bring it a little bit closer, right click, add. So now I can kind of look at, see what the scenes are doing here, and to see the animation so far, I can right click and hit play animation. It takes a little bit of time to render. There it's turning the car, going down that way. Should spin it around and come across here. Now I want to try to get rid of those pauses. You can see those pauses in there. I want to get rid of those. So I can just click on a scene, ortho printing, view, animation, settings. And transition time is the amount of time it takes to go between the cars, views. Delay time is how long the pause is. So I turn the delay time down to 0. Close. Play animation again. Now you can see it just moving smoothly through there. Now what you want to do is you're going to be building scenes. You want to get this to be about 30 seconds long. So if a scene transition is 2 seconds, this has to be at least 15 scenes long. And you can build those up. Our next video is going to tell us how to change the style and work with the adding a picture in the background.